So creating customized palettes in Inkscape just got an upgrade. So there's a plugin called Inkscape Generator, and once it's installed, you can go to Palette Generate and generate your palette. And there's a new option in version 6.0 where you can sort your palette by the X and Y location, or the Y and X location, or whatever you want. I actually want the X and Y location. And we hit apply. It'll generate a test palette for us. And so now we have to close Inkscape and reopen Inkscape. But once it's open, we can go down here and select our palette, which was called test. And now you can see that it is in the correct order, that it has ordered them just like this, so all the way down like that. Voila. So for the old method, you would look up where your palette folder is. In this case, it's
a bar at or Inkscape config Inkscape palettes. So I'd hit file, I'd hit save as, and I would select down here. Where is it? GIMP DPL, there we go. And then I navigate there, so I go to my home folder, I find var. Where's var? Var at or Inkscape config Inkscape, and I go into palettes. And I can save it as test DPL. So now if we open Inkscape again, test DPL.
And so with that method, the palette is completely unorganized. So yeah, pretty awful, but now we can arrange them however we want. Apply. And it does kind of suck, they have to restart Inkscape every time. But minor annoyances, minor annoyances. Badoosh. So to install this palette extension, you would go to their Inkscape extension page. Frick.
You click download, and you can download this. Downloads, we're just going to drop in Inkscape, save. We're going to open this, and you can click extract. You extract it into your folder, wherever you like to do that, to your files. Bam, alright. And you copy these two files here, and also that file. You copy those, and you navigate to your Inkscape extensions folder, which you can find by going to File, Preferences, Extensions. It's going to be here, so in my case, we're just going to open that. Easy peasy. We can go over here, we're going to hit copy, and paste them into here. I already have them in there, so I'm not going to paste them. And then what you do is you restart Inkscape. And once you have it restarted, you should have the extension installed.
That's the new way to handle customized palettes in Inkscape. You can now rearrange them and order them however you like. Congratulations, you're welcome. So yeah, that new feature has been my contribution to the Inkscape community.